What's up, guys? It's November 21st, 2025. We're doing a 10-minute breakdown of the E-mini where we talk about second legs, market context, and trap traders. We're also going to tie in yesterday's breakdown because I didn't have enough time to do it. I'm kind of busy this month, honestly, but I think going into December, my schedule is going to stabilize and the videos will be out at a consistent time. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Yesterday, we had a really nice day, sold off. I kind of fumbled a bag. I was long here and then was waiting for a retest here. As it broke out, I got out my position around here, and then I shorted the first trend line break, and I exited around probably around this low on this side because 12:45 the options expire. So pretty nice day. We had a big gap up, a double top. Bulls that bought here, bought more lower, got out of break even, and we had a crazy sell off. With this many bars in a row, let's see. The spike starts on this bar, and we go for an hour and 20 minutes. So on higher time frames, this is one big bear bar. It could be a breakout. See, breakout in the 45-minute, and then but if we go to the 2 hour, it won't look like. Oh, I guess it does. Yeah, it's just a big breakout in the higher time frames. This is a 2 hour chart. Kind of interesting. I never look at any other charts. Leg one, pull back, leg two, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. But let's just stick to the chart. Why is that like that? So yeah, big bearish breakout on the higher time frames, and it gets follow through. Actually, I was gonna leave it like that, but it's really distracting. Weekly chart, daily chart. Weekly chart, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4 bear bars in a row. Something that hasn't happened before, not since February 24. And we kind of tested this swing low here and started to rally. So we'll see if we go sideways or are these 4 bars going to get follow through and a breakdown. Usually after 3 bars in the same row, same color, there's a pullback. So maybe we pull back, testing right around the breakout point, or this is just one deeper pullback to some sort of double bottom bull flag. See what happens. Daily chart on the right, leg one, pull back leg two. And each of these legs came with 3 legs. Leg one, pull back, or leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. And then we have a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Bulls got a breakout above this inside bar here, but then ended up selling off. And then kind of like an expanding triangle, actually. So yeah, made a new low and then rallied. Let me see something here. 50% pullback. So the bears that shorted down here are going to short more. Wait, hold on. Oh no, there we go. The bulls that bought up here bought more lower. Started to get out break even, and we start to see some selling. But we'll have to see the following days if this bull bar gets fall through or is this a pullback and the bears get a second leg down from this only this bar. Let's just look at the second legs real quick. Really nice second legs. I got cut up right here, so I lost about 250 trading options. Now I'm going to set up my futures account so I can start scalping again. I really like this pullback. Bears get short down here. Market rallies. They short right around the EMA, acting as a resistance. Boom, look at the 50% pullback. Huh. When I did it, it lined up. Now I'm doing it. So maybe we wouldn't get filled if we had a limit order here, but we could buy the close here with the same context. Our risk to reward would be a little bit less. Leg one, pull back leg two. Bears are getting trapped down here. They're going to short more. Unfortunately, it does not come back to the 50% pullback. So unless you're pressing your bet with this context, leg one, pull back leg two would be hard to get in. You could still fade bar 53. I don't know if I would take bar 53 because bar 52 is climactic. However, the bulls that bought in the buy zone of 53 made 1R before bears shorting that made 1R, so it worked. Could get a quick scalp out of it. Gap up, bar one, bull bar, trading range, and then bar two, bear bar with follow through, bar three. But look at the tails. Although bar two got follow through, a lot of tails, so it's two-sided trading. And then we have a third leg down, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, rally. And there's your leg one, leg two for the bulls. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Bears 6 and 7 get a second leg down. It's we kind of see a wedge bottom here. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, and the fourth leg actually makes bullish price structure a little higher low. I always get those two mixed up. Bar 12, you can take it for a quick scalp, but it's a trading range, and if you take that short down here, you're shorting at the low of a trading range, so it's better to short pull back, gets followed through 13, 14. I shorted the high of 15 thinking we were going to sell off, and I did a pretty big position, and then I got the breakout against me 23, and then I had to start to work, so I missed the majority of the move. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Breakout bar 23, follow through 24, shot 23 and 24, breakout gets a shallow pullback 25, and then 26 is the second leg. The second leg had 23 and 24 have enough momentum to get a bigger second leg than bar 26. So here's the entire second leg. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. And if, hold on, I was looking at something on the overnight session. Yeah, so look at the breakout in the overnight session. This was just a very complex pullback. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, wedge bottom testing the breakout point from the bar overnight session, bar 79. Breakout, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. And each of those legs, remember how I counted these bear legs from yesterday? Give me 1 second here. So remember how I was counting these legs? I said, what legs was I counting? Each of these legs got 3 legs. What? I don't even remember which leg I was talking about. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Wait, which legs was I talking about? Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank now. Anyways, look at the... Oh, I was talking about these legs here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. So, and then each of these legs got 3 legs down. And look at the rally. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, and each of those legs got 3 legs up. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, sideways price action. Bears get to possess the market cycle and go sideways, end of the market cycle. Bears get the breakout, leg 1, pull back, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Now we're in an overall trading range. And this second leg, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, ends up becoming a good breakout. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, sideways. Bears trying to get the breakout, but then it reverses, and now this entire leg gets its own second leg. Leg 1. Hold on, let's see. Where's the trend line break? Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Sideways price action for the majority of the day. So still some tradable legs, but that's how we can use the market cycle, second legs, and trap traders to form similar trades. Sometimes our entries will be different, but what matters is the context is the same. So we're trading around that second leg. So yeah, pretty good day. Let me know how you guys did. It is what we're going into. We have just about a month and a week left. It's Thanksgiving coming up this week, so that's gonna be fun. Spend some time with your family, recharge, get ready for 2026, 2027. Thank you for your time, everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.